Hello everyone, this video is about how to set up the payment automation in GoHighLevel. Let's say you want to sell a product or you want to sell a service using GoHighLevel, then you want to perform some automations, then this video is going to be so helpful for you. But before we set up the automations, we need to connect a payment gateway inside GoHighLevel, and for that we will go to the payments, then go to integrations. Now here you can connect the PayPal or Stripe or any other payment gateway that you want. You simply need to hit the connect button and then provide all of your details, and then it will be automatically connected to GoHighLevel to receive the payments. Now once you have connected your payment gateway here, then you will go to the products, and here we will create a product to sell our product or sell our service. Now let's say we want to provide some SEO optimization or some SEO services, then we will create a product for that service. So click on the create product button, and first of all we will give it a name that can be SEO service. Then in pricing we will type in our amount for the service, that can be $700, and the compare price can be $1,000, which means the main cost of SEO service is $1,000, but I'm selling this service for about $700 as a discount, or you can simply keep it blank and leave it as it is, and then simply hit save button. And that's it. We have created our product for SEO services in payment section. Once we connected the Stripe and created a product, our next step will be to create an order form to sell this product or to sell this service. For that, we will simply go to sites, then go to forms. Here we will create an order form, so simply click on add form. First of all, we will name this form as SEO order form. And it's asking for the name, for the phone number and the email, but there is no field for the product or the service that we want to sell, right? So we will add the product first, and for that we will click on add element, and here we will go down towards collect payments. Then simply click on this payment field, and which will bring up its settings. So we will change its status to live mode. Then in payment type, select sell product, and in add product, we will add our product that we just created. And we will not check its image or description because we haven't added in our product. So we will uncheck these options. Now we have added this product in our form. So now we will save this form. And if we preview this form, then this is how it will look like. It will ask for the customer name, it will ask for phone number and the email and the amount to buy a product or service that you will add in your form. Now what we're going to do is we will set up the automations for this particular form. For that we will go back to the sites and then move to automations. And here we will create a workflow from scratch. And we can name this workflow as SEO purchase automation. Here our trigger will be form submitted. And then in filters, we will select the form as SEO service form. And once you select your product form, simply save this trigger. Now, whenever this form will be submitted, it will trigger this workflow to start the actions that will be added here. And our first action will be assigned to user. In user, you can add yourself or you can add any other user to whom this task will be assigned, and then save this action. Our next action will be to send the internal notification. So we will add an action that will be send internal notification. And here in notification type, it can be an email or SMS. And here in name and email, you will provide the name and email of the person from whom this email will be sent. And into user type, we will select the assigned user. Next, in subject, we can type in new SEO service purchase. Then in message, we can type in hi, then add custom values of the contact full name. Then we will add the contact email. Next, type in has just purchased our SEO service. Best. Okay, and then save this action. Then we will add a wait action. And here wait for will be time delay. And in wait, we will add 30 seconds or 0.5 minutes and then save this action. Then we will send a confirmation message to our customers, and the reason we added the wait action of few seconds here is we don't want our customer to feel that it's an automated action by instantly sending the confirmation message the moment they send the form. So after the wait action, we will add an action that will be send email. Here you will add your name and your email. And in subject, we can say SEO purchase is confirmed. And in message, we can say, hi, here add a custom value of contact full name. And then type in, thank you for purchasing our SEO service. We will contact you regarding queries about SEO service. And then we will save this section. And once it's done, simply save this workflow and then hit publish button. Otherwise, this automation will not be executed. So it's really important to publish it first to make it work for you. You can also add more actions or customize this workflow if you want. But if you face any trouble in this process, you can ask me in the comment section. For now, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.